Settling into a comfortable seated position. Finding the breath. Allowing this body to breathe itself. One breath in, one breath out. And on the next out breath, releasing awareness of the breath and inviting awareness to the sight sensations. Awareness of seeing. If the eyelids are closed, awareness of darkness, absence of light. Awareness of movement, shadows, shades of gray or dark. Awareness of how sight enters awareness. Awareness of absence of sight. If the eyelids are closed, possibility of seeing shards of light entering in through the eyelids, through the openings. Flashes of light, color. Awareness of sight, of seeing. With the next out breath, the invitation is to release awareness to sight and draw awareness to the hearing sensations, sound. Awareness of inner sound, internal sounds, breathing, heart beating, body sounds. Awareness of sound in this room. Near sounds, far away sounds. Pitch, tone, volume, loudness, softness. Awareness of sound with direction, movement, closeness, stillness, silence. As sound enters awareness, awareness of a desire to label. Releasing the urge and the desire to label, and simply observe hearing. How sounds enter awareness. With the next out breath, the invitation is to release awareness of hearing and draw awareness to the touch sensations. Awareness of sensation that enters awareness through the skin. Pressure, tingling, tightness, warmth, coolness, numbness, absence of feeling. The skin is the largest organ of the body and covers all external surfaces. Moisture, dryness, tingling, stinging, awareness of touch sensations, softness, hardness, wet, dry, with the next out breath, releasing awareness to touch and inviting awareness to smell. How odors, aroma, smells enter into consciousness. Awareness of absence of smell. Pleasantness, unpleasantness of odor, aroma. With the next out breath, the invitation is to release awareness to smell, drawing awareness to taste. Taste possibly lingering in the mouth from some substance previously eaten. Sweetness, bitterness, salty, bland, or maybe the absence of taste. With the next out breath, releasing awareness of the five senses and drawing awareness into the body, down to the feet. Awareness of the toes, balls of the feet, heels, arches, allowing awareness to move to the top of the feet, to the ankles, to the lower legs, the calves, the shins. Drawing awareness into the legs, to the muscles, tendons, ligaments, blood vessels. Gently guiding awareness higher into the leg to the knees. On up to the upper legs, the quads, the hamstrings, the femur bones. Powerful muscles, powerful bones in the body for locomotion, movement, support. Continuing up toward the torso to the hips. The pelvis bone connecting the hips to the femurs, to the upper legs. The pelvis supporting internal structures, organs. Organs of excretion, genitals. Drawing awareness farther up even more, deep within the torso, the lower abdomen. Awareness of movement, stillness. Tightness, calm, relaxed. Drawing awareness farther up, locating other organs, stomach, kidneys, liver, pancreas. Adrenals, adrenal glands. Observing diaphragm, a muscle that moves without direction, contracts and expands with each in-breath and out-breath. Movement. Observing movement within the diaphragm, the chest area, the muscles surrounding the torso, working together to breathe. With each breath, lungs expanding and deflating. Drawing in nourishing oxygen into the body. Releasing what the body no longer needs with each out-breath. Breathing in, breathing out. Movement, nourishment, release. With each in-breath, the lungs inflate, transfer oxygen from the lungs into the bloodstream. Flow, movement, pumping throughout every region of the body, nourishing all cells. Returning to the lungs, passing from the blood back to the lungs to be exhaled, released. The invitation now is to gently move awareness into the head, the brain, the central nervous system. Monitoring, directing, thinking, feeling, nerves wandering throughout all areas of the body, sending and receiving. The invitation now is to release awareness of the body, of the central nervous system and the brain, drawing awareness to thinking. Awareness of thought. The invitation is to not to pay particular attention to content of thought, rather merely to observe and be aware of thinking. Awareness of how thoughts enter awareness. Do they enter awareness with direction? Do thoughts enter awareness by themselves? Or does more than one thought enter awareness at the same time? Do thoughts come in with a flash, gradually fade in, just appear? How thoughts enter awareness. What happens between thoughts? Is there a space between thoughts? Do thoughts overlap, butt up against each other? Do thoughts bring other thoughts? What comes with thinking? Emotions, body sensations, nothingness, boredom, excitement, frustration, observing thinking. Whose thoughts are these? Who is observing thinking? If the answer offered is I am, who am I? Maybe the answer is me. Who's answering? Who am I? The invitation now is with the next exhale to gently release awareness to thinking and gently invite into awareness an individual. And when you think of this individual, you tend to have a smile on your face. Imagining this person standing in front of you. Imagining a flow of energy, a connection between you and this person. Offering this person loving and kind thoughts using my words or words of your own. May you experience joy and the roots of joy. May you be free from harm, internal and external. May you experience equanimity, balance, and peace. May you live with ease. The invitation now is to invite others to join this person. Friends, family, co-workers, associates, neighbors. Imagining this group gathering in front of you, standing, facing you. There's a connection between each of these individuals and you, and an intricate web of connection flowing between them amongst themselves also. Imagining also that joining this group are their friends and family and co-workers and neighbors. observing a connection amongst them all. May you all experience joy and the roots of joy. May you be free from harm, internal and external. May you experience equanimity, balance, and peace. May you live with ease, free of suffering. The invitation now is to invite others still to join this group. People throughout your community. Neighborhood, city, observing also that each of these people joining the group are connected. There's a flow of energy, connectivity flowing between each and every one. Imagine yourself as part of this group. May we experience joy and the roots of joy. May we be free from harm and have health. May we all live with equanimity, balance, and peace. May we all live with ease, free of pain, and relief from suffering. The invitation now is to take a couple more breaths, and with the out breaths, gently opening the eyes.